Morning, guys. I am CC Morris, your favorite tutor. All right, without much further ado, in today's class, I'll be teaching you how to use the shrink wrap modifier. We are going to use this tool to add any logo to this 3D mug that I just finished right now. Now, if you model any object in Blender, you can use this shrink wrap modifier tool to add any logo you design on CorelDraw on the 3D mesh object. Now, let me quickly show you that without much further ado. Let's go. So you press Shift A, and when you press Shift A, you click on Image. Once you click on Image, you click on Mesh Plane, right? Once you click on Mesh Plane, you look for the logo you've designed on CorelDraw. In my own case, I want to use this HP logo I've designed and saved as PNG. So I'm going to click on it and click on Import Images as a Plane. Now it's imported, so I'm going to press G to move it out and press X to move it out on X axis. You can see that image right there. Meanwhile, remember to always press Z to switch to your material preview so you can see the true color of your mesh object. So you can see it pretty clearly. And I'm also going to press G and then Z to move it up on Z axis, on Z axis up. And the next thing I'm going to do is to scale it. So I'm going to press S to scale it. Okay, fine. And then press enter. Now, let me just give you a preview of what this looks like, right? You can see that the image itself is not attached to the mug right now, right? Let me move it out so you see. So I'm going to press G one more time and X to move it out further. Now I am also going to rotate it so you see that the image right now is not attached or appended on the mug. So now let's do the magic. How do we attach it to the mug? Very easy, guys. The first thing we are going to do is to subdivide this logo. How do we subdivide? We have to go into the edit mode first of all. To go into edit mode, you press the tab key to go into edit mode. You right click on the logo and then you click on subdivide. Once you click on subdivide, the subdivision panel bumps up, and then you can click here to bump it up, or you just click inside and type 50 and then press enter. Okay, fine. You can click to hide this subdivision panel. Now we are finished subdividing. We now need to use the shrink wrap modifier tool to complete the job. To complete the job, you click on this, your modifiers property tab, right? And then you click on add modifier, and you're going to search for the shrink wrap modifier. So you type shrink. Once you type shrink, you're going to see the shrink wrap modifier. Click on it. Once you click on it, the first thing you do is to click on this eyedropper tool. Once you click on the eyedropper tool, target the mug, right? So if I click on the mug, you can see that the image has been appended or attached to the mug, but the job is not completed. To complete the job, switch this wrap here. Instead of nearest, just switch it to what? To project. Once you switch it to project, go ahead and check this negative icon right there. Once you check the negative icon, the last thing to do is just to move down a bit, and then you click inside this offset and then just set it as 0.004. This is going to do, and press enter, and voila, we have accomplished our task and mission. So all you need to do right now is to press the tab key, and you can see we have a mug. So let me give you a quick preview. You can see, right, the logo has successfully been appended on the mug. You can see that, guys. All right, so give me a thumbs up, like this video if you want me to show you how I designed this mug from start to finish. Like this video, share it, and then give me a comment that you would like me to teach you how to design the cup, the mug cup. All right, guys, see you. Thank you, and please follow me and share my video. CC Morris. Peace out. One love.